Are you looking for a trail camera? Well, check this out. This trail camera is solar powered, so the battery charges by the sun, so you don't have to worry about running out of power. It also comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card, and it is accessible by an app. No cellular, no Wi Fi. If you're within 50 meters of your camera with your phone, you can download your video. 64 megapixels and 4K ultra night vision. And it's also IP66 weatherproof. So let's get a closer look at this and see it in action. All right, so let's get this out of the box. You see there's the instruction manual, the solar panel for charging, the unit itself, and there's a strap that you can mount it to go around a tree. There's multiple ways to mount it. And here's the mounting bracket for the camera itself if you want to do it other than the tree way. There's a charging cable, and there's the other part of the mounting bracket. You have to download the app so you can view your pictures and video. The camera opens up and everything is on the inside. You can actually view video and pictures and everything from that screen. It's really cool. And then there's the strap that goes around the tree. It's real simple. And it's all one integrated unit, which is really nice. The solar panel just attaches to that part there. And then there's the underside. It's all waterproof, so your charging cable goes in and is sealed. The solar panel just attaches like that, and it's all one integrated unit. It's really nice. This is the other mounting bracket. If you wanted to screw it to the tree or to a wall or fence or whatever you have, that'd be perfect. And there's a tool there to adjust the articulation joints. And to download the app is really simple. You need that Trail Cam Go. That's the name of it. And you have full access to your camera. And here it is mounted on our tree in our backyard. Perfect location to get the whole yard. So, and you see I use the strap, went around the tree. There's a lot of excess, so I just kind of tied it up here and just wrapped the extra charging cable around the tree as well. But what I like about this whole thing is it is completely integrated into one unit. There's no extra thing you got to mount up here. It's all one mount. Everything is good. So let's check out some footage from this thing. And here's some footage from it when I first set it up outside during the day. And here is at night, that night, where there's some deer crossing the yard. And there's also a picture of a nice buck right there that I didn't even know lived here. Well, I hope my video helps you out. And thanks for watching.